Now, the problem with nature-based solutions today is that they haven't been around long enough so that we can quantify the potential benefits of the same. However, bringing more nature back to cities brings more biodiversity, it helps with water retention, and also lowers the effects of heat island effect. More research is, however, needed in this field to accelerate the transition towards sustainable cities. What I would also like to talk about is the lack of investment into nature-based solution startups, which sometimes can have sort of crazy ideas. The fear of failing and losing your money is always there. However, let's put it into a perspective. Wouldn't it be nice to invest into 98 projects from which 15 or 20 will be successful instead of investing into 5 that will fail?